The MainWP Sucuri extension helps you manage the security of your client websites directly from your MainWP dashboard. By integrating with Sucuri's Site Check tool, it allows you to scan for malware, blacklist status, and other potential security threats across all your child sites, making it much easier to handle security monitoring without going site by site. To start using the extension, head over to the Sucuri page in your MainWP dashboard. From here, you can run scans for any of your child sites. Simply locate the site you want to scan and click the Scan Now button. Once the scan is complete, you'll be able to review the results in a detailed report. This report will show you if there are any issues, such as malware, black hat SEO spam, malicious JavaScript, or suspicious redirects. The scan will flag anything that needs attention, giving you a clear overview of your site's security status. The extension will also check the blacklist status of your sites. It looks at major sources like Google Safe Browsing, Norton Safe Web, Fish Tank, and Site Advisor to make sure your sites aren't blacklisted. If a site does get flagged, you'll know right away, allowing you to address the issue before it affects your client's search rankings or reputation. You will also find recommendations for hardening improvements and info about included JavaScript. Now, although Sucuri's API terms don't allow for automatic scans, the manual process is simple. Running a scan is as easy as clicking a button, and you can repeat the process as often as you like to ensure your sites remain secure. If you want to check the results of a previous scan or adjust settings for a particular site, you can do so on the Reports and Settings page. Here you'll find a list of previous reports for each site, which you can click on to view detailed results from past scans. This feature is especially useful if you want to review the history of your site's security or check for recurring issues. You can also delete old reports to keep things organized. By default, SSL certificate verification is enabled during scans, so you can be sure your site's SSL certificate is valid. There's also a reminder feature that can notify you when a site hasn't been scanned in a while. You can set reminders to alert you if it's been more than a day, a week, or even a month since the last scan, helping you stay consistent with your security checks. The MainWP Sucuri extension helps you stay ahead of potential threats and protect your client's websites effectively, all from the convenience of your MainWP dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP. Don't forget to check out one of our other videos next.